Okay, hi Tom. Here's that long-awaited video that finally am getting around to doing about just a little bit of explanation about how I have the website set up for you concerning the layout with the ads and everything. So I'm already logged in here, and I'll try first explain it this way. So if we're at the home page, I'll click on the heading here. Okay, and you look up at Beaver Builder there, we have where we can edit the page itself, the home page, or we can edit the header, which is just this stuff up here. And usually we don't have to do anything there unless, of course, this ad changes. So let's just try that once. Let's click on Beaver Builder in that header, and this one is just an image right there. That's how you would change that. Okay, and that's a photo module. And if we click edit, then we can see all our images in our media library. And the one that's selected is, well, it's this here. I'm not going to change it. I don't want to mess it up here. So anyway, you can change that out. And the other thing is, if you upload an image, you can go there, upload file, select it from your PC, and upload it and select it. So anyway, that's how you change that one little one there. Then you click done and publish, but I'm just going to hit discard because I want to make sure I don't change anything. Okay. All right, and then we're back here now. So this is the home page itself. So that's one of the areas that we can change, where we would change ads if we need to change out an ad. Okay, so I'm going to go into Beaver Builder on this. And okay, so here's a module. This is a module that just shows all the posts, the most recent posts. Okay, any ads down here? We don't really have any ads down here on this side, but over on the side is where they all are on the home page, I think. So this one's an individual ad. This one is an individual ad. This is an individual ad. And then all of these are those banner ads from that banner ads module. And that these here you change when you're in the dashboard side. I think you've seen that before. Okay, so when you change one of these, you have to change those in like 3 different places, and one of the places is here on the home page. So you would just do that by clicking it, and again, kind of the same type of deal where you have to upload and put the new one in. And that's true for these 3. So I'm going to get out of here, and then the next kind of like format or template that we have is the categories, or they call it archive. So all of the posts in the business category, for example, and all of these categories are the same as far as editing, but I'm just going in the business one here. And then if we go up to Beaver Builder, we see archive layout. So the archive layout applies to all of the different categories. So we only have to change it for any one of these, and it'll take effect for all of them. So Beaver Builder archive layout. Okay, and then we don't need to change anything here because we're just talking about changing the ads, the banner ads. But here you can see, just like on the home page, it's the same. This area is those banners where you change from the dashboard. And if you have to change one of these, you do that individually. The first place we had to do that was in the home page template. And the next one is the archive template. So we just go and change it there. Okay, and then we're done. Okay, done, discard, okay, because I don't want to change anything. All right, and then the next place you got to do the change, if you wanted to change one of these static ones here, is go into any post, any article, and then look at Beaver Builder, and you see single post. That's a layout that we need to change. So we'll click on that. And so this whole page is a single post template or layout. Okay. So if I click on here, let's see. This is the post itself. Okay, so let's stick to the ads over here. So the same as for the other two layouts. This is for the banner ads, and we just have a link. That's the side banners. We change those ads from the dashboard. But these, again, same thing as the other two styles. We have to change that static one right here. Okay, so when I get a change, when we get a change for any of these three, we have to change it in 3 places. Okay. Now the other thing here, if we've got these ads in the single posts, so that again would be in the single post layout. So the only place we have to change these ads out for will be in the single post layout. And those are just photos again. Okay, and you have a couple on the top and you have a couple on the bottom. Or that one's a sponsorship opportunity. But that's just an image again, same as the others. Okay. All right. So these seem to be less oftenly changed. Most often changed ones seem to be some of these. Okay. And then done and publish, but I'm going to discard because I don't want to change anything now. So that's the thing. You've got these 3 different layouts. The home page, well, the header too, but then you've got the home page. And you've got the archive layout. The home page is special, even though we've got other pages. But so you got the home page layout, the archive layout, and the single post layout. And we can see that if we go. I'll just show you over here in the dashboard. You never really have to go into this part, but in Beaver Builder here, themer layouts, we've got those, the archive layout, the header layout, and the single post layout. Okay. And the settings in this part are pretty much, you never have to go in and change those. You can see the location specified on the archive means all archives, which means all the different categories. Okay, and then the header, entire site, the header's on every page, no matter what you're on. And then the single post, when someone's reading a post, that's the post location. Okay, let's go back again. I think I've covered it. So we're on the home page, so that's a special one. So on Beaver Builder, that's a home page edit. But notice if we click into a post, I go to Beaver Builder, now we're on the single post layout. Okay. We don't want to edit here because we would use edit post. I think you never really go in and change posts. You do that from the dashboard. I think that's how you create them. So you never really want to go into here and do this. That's the only exception with that Beaver Builder. That's the only time you really need to do an edit post. Okay. Hope that doesn't confuse you. Don't worry about that. Okay, and then, so we're in the single post, and then if we go into one of these categories, then we got the archive layout. Okay, so it's kind of interesting how we've got, it works well, but we've got these different layouts that we have to make sure that we make the changes for the banner ads. Okay, so hopefully maybe that'll help you a little bit. I usually do this for you anyway, but maybe this will give you a little bit better understanding of how that's going to work or how it's working in case you need to do it yourself sometime. So, all right.